everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up 24 Ink T-shirt of the Month Club for March 2022. Yeah, cute bag. So the name says it all. This is a T-shirt of the Month Club. So when you subscribe, you get to pick how often you get it. You can get it monthly or seasonally. And also you get to fill out a little profile. So this is a customized subscription. So you get a shirt every month or every season, as well as like an extra goodie. I believe it's $17.99. I will link them down below. They also are great. They create a little shop so you can see all of the shirts I've gotten before. If you'd like something I have received. I also have a playlist on my channel for all the boxes I open, but if you want to check out this one specifically and see my shirts, you can do so on my channel or again on the shop link below. So let's get this open and see what we got. Well, I opened this. Do I have my scissors nearby? No, I'll just rip it. Welcome back. You guys are welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So before you go, I hope you consider subscribing. So here we go. Everything is wrapped up in a bag and some tissue. And they always have a theme each month, and they give us little like trivia facts. If you guys are new, I love trivia. I'm a nerd and I love learning new things. Our theme this month is moons. Oh my god. Okay, so in my introduction I said I love subscription boxes, but I also freaking love spirituality, tarot, and I'm starting astrology school this week, so I clearly love the moon, live my life by the moon. But that, oh my god, I just like forgot everything else that was going on. I'm like, moon! Mama moon! So let's read the facts for the moon. The dark side of the moon is a myth. In reality, both sides of the moon see the same amount of sunlight. However, only one face of the moon is ever seen from Earth. That makes sense. The moon has only been ever walked on by 12 people, all American men. Oh, has it? Just kidding. I'm not going to get into conspiracy theories here. The moon is drifting away from the Earth, and a person will weigh much less on the moon. Cool! Oh my god, I love reading books and I love the moon, and we freaking got a moon book clip, so bookmark. Oh my gosh. My little heart is so happy. My big heart is really happy right now. And then there talks about their shop, so they also sell other things on their shop, and they make custom shirts, all that, like hoodies, anything. They also have metal prints, so. And there's a 10% off code here. I'll leave that down below. I don't remember if there's not another one. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm gonna put this on in a second because I have like just like a tank top thing under this. I was gonna do that before I started filming, but I just went right into it. Never stop looking up. Is this my new favorite shirt? I feel like I'm in Step Brothers. Like, did we just become best friends? Yep. 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 Ah, I love it. Okay, so I have a shirt under this shirt, so don't be creeped out. That I'm doing this right now. Oh my god, yes! I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. How freaking cute. Sorry, I don't want to make this be like, look at my boobs, but look at my moons. Oh my god, the whole phases of the moon. And it says, never stop looking up. And I think it fits perfect. How it hits, like, oh my gosh. And it's a V-neck. I'm a V-neck queen. I don't know why I threw queen there, but yes, I'm a queen. I just like that. This is my favorite. This is officially my favorite 24 ink shirt I've ever gotten. Thank you so much. I didn't mention this before. This is sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. This is my favorite one. Thank you. I love it so much. You guys are probably going to see me wear this all the time. I love gray, too. Oh, yes. You get to let them know what colors you like or dislike or whatever when you subscribe, but this is my favorite and I love it so much. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. I'm like a little kid right now in Christmas. I'm like, yes! But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Emmy's on the ground. She didn't really make an appearance in this video, but she did in the last one I filmed. Emmy, what are you sniffing over there? Want to say hi? Are you busy? I think she's busy, but anyways, that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think. And again, they're going to be linked down below if you want to subscribe. I think their quality of shirts are great. I got so distracted talking about what was on the shirt, not the quality, but the quality is awesome. It always has been. They last, like, you know, I put them in the wash all the time and stuff. There's no issues with that. So yeah, check them out if you're interested. They also have, like, you can get it for kids, like as a gift for someone else, whoever. They have a wide size range too. I'm so distracted by my cat. I'm like, moon, cat, moon. I'm in such a good mood. I hope you guys are too. Yeah, I'm so grateful for you guys. And again, if you guys are new or returning but haven't subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so before you go. And that means I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.